Hello and welcome to a lovely day in Wicklow. I have my pans on my back, I have all the camera equipment with me, and I even have a small drone. You can see the trail behind me, and there's mountains absolutely everywhere. Stunning place. It's going to be one big hike to get back to the car. But hey, first we got to get to the river. What I'm going to do is continue on this trail. I'll check back in a few minutes, then we'll take out the drone and just see what it can do. Just crack on with it. Let's go find the shiny. Okay, so after a few minutes of setup, she is operational. Let's see if I can try and get a shot from up there, if that's possible. Actually, let's see, just out of curiosity, how high up can we go? No! Come back, you! Come back! Down, down, down. Now she's stuck in a ditch. Right, I'll knock off the camera and then try and recover it. Okay, just crack on with that and we'll find the river eventually. Let's go find the river after we recover the drone. Okay, so I've come to what would be regarded as the end of the trail. Right, let's find a way down to the river. So you can walk around that way, no interest, because that's the beginning of the top of the stream. Don't want that. This is where you don't want to injure yourself on the way down, because then you can't do it when you get there. Nice thorns. You don't want to brush this with your leg. Use your elbow. Anything that's covered in this material, your coat, anything like that. This isn't too bad. Yeah, it's a bit of a bog track. I wouldn't come down here after a decent drop of rain. Now the question is, where's the river? I can hear it. It's over beyond those trees. Right, I'm going to keep working at this and I'll come back to you in a minute when I find it. I'll see you in a minute when I get to the river. Let's go find the shiny. Okay, found the river. See, we have that lovely iron material leaching out of the ground. And we've got a barbed wire fence. If you look at the height of the fence, that's to keep out something big. I think that's to keep cows out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to test pan the area behind me here. And if I find some gold in it, what I'm going to do is going to contact the owner and ask, would I be able to come into this river? And I'm going to work in the drainage ditch for now. When we get the equipment set up, we do a bit of panning. Let's go find some shiny. Okay, so after about 2 hours of bashing through the bushes, I found the river. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to give the pan a quick rinse, just to be sure that there's no gold left over from the last day I was out. And I'm going to dump that off to the side here in an area on top of the muck where I'm not digging. So just to pick up some water. Just get a quick slosh around and wash off the gloves as well, and just dump. So let's do this now. That's nice, I like that. Nice grey sandy material there. Yeah, that's good. Nice big rock there. I'm sure that's a rock or conglomerate. So let's go upstream with that a little. Now see this? That's just sand. Not likely to find any gold in that. This little drain patch that comes into the side here. If there's gold here, I'll be back. This is where something like my Gold Magic 4000 would be ideal. Oh, moving water. I see black sand. Oh wow, I see a lot of black sand. Interesting. Right, let's have a quick giddly gander if we're on the gold. Hold on a second, I saw something yellow up there. On top. A lot of black sand. Gold! We're on the gold in the first test pan. My biggest problem today is I brought so much equipment, 2 cameras, camera here, camera over there, tripod, machete, shovel, and the drone. I didn't have enough room in the bag for anything else, so I just brought 1 bottle of electrolytes, and I need more water. And I can tell you here now, I'm not drinking that water. I need to find somewhere else to pan. It's possibly gold everywhere. Dig a bit of a, dig down a bit and create a dam so the water level comes up and it'll be easier to pan into. But happy days, we're on the gold, get in! So I'm building a dam now. As regards to gold, it's in there somewhere at the black sand. I'm not going to fish it out now. I just want to get this dam built. Look at that grey clay material. Holy God! Grey clay sand! That's where the gold is. Right here. The very material that I'm using to build a dam could actually be the containing gold as well. Oh man, this is great. Bit of plastic, bit of pottery in there, look. Okay, so first things first, take the pan out of the water. It's not comfortable, but it's a lot better than hunkering down. So there you go, look, less than 5 minutes. I've got a nice little panning pole. I can take my time with this one. Gotta work our way down through this. Now we get to that point, we stop, we gently wash off just the front riffle. Okay, we gently wash off the front riffle. Just means a different day I come back with the Gold Magic 4000. That'll be the best piece of kit here. Circuit tube it onto the screen deck and catch 80% of the gold. 2 full buckets to go through. Anyway, stop thinking about the future. Focus on now, very important. Remember, there was already 1 speck in here. Let's have a look here. I see the black sand there in the corner. No idea what's in here. Again, I don't bother salting. I'm on this mission as well. So, let's have a quick look and see how we're getting on. We know we did a lot of black sand earlier. Black sand ain't gold. You wouldn't see it on screen because I can just barely see it with my own eyes. I got a 1 micro there. Another little piece there. Again, a micro. And there's another micro there. Okay, so we got 2 micro pieces of gold. It's 1 more place ruled out, but again, we found gold here, which is great. So look, at a later stage, perhaps next winter, come back here, go downstream and work the lower section to find where the really juicy gold is. That's another project for another day. So I hope you've enjoyed this mini-series of winter exploration. If you like this video, chances are you like the videos I previously posted and the ones I'll be posting in the future. Don't forget the subscribe button, and sure, catch you next one. We can all go fly more shiny. Bye bye.